Namaste friends, I am Archana and today I am going to talk about sciatic nerve pain. The most distinctive sign of sciatic pain is that it radiates from your lower back and goes down below to your legs. And it can range from mild ache to sharp shooting pain. And you can also get stinging, numbing, or a weakness in your legs or foot. Practicing yoga on daily basis has shown considerable influence in managing this pain. And you need not have to suffer in silence. Yoga can offer you a lot many benefits and give a ray of hope. We will look at how these four pillars of yoga will help you to manage the sciatic pain, and these pillars are Ahar, Vihar, Achar and Vichar. Ahar. Foods rich in magnesium like avocado, apricots, bananas, black beans, dried figs, dried pumpkin seeds, dairy products, and yogurt. Also, fish is recommended to reduce the inflammation. Food rich in omega 3, vitamin B12, and antioxidant rich foods, all of which help reduce the inflammation associated with this condition. For example, dark chocolates, almonds, tomatoes, and green leafy vegetables also help us. Coming to Vihar, exercise and yogasanas helps immensely in relieving this sciatic pain and the discomforts which are related to sciatica. Yogic exercises help in stretching and stimulation of nerves and toning up the back muscles, which in turn helps in increasing the blood supply. Asanas may also release the pressure and the compression on sciatic nerve. Today I have selected some poses that will be very beneficial for this pain. Uttanasana, pigeon pose, or Kapotasana, Supta Hastpadasana, and supine figure 4 pose.
We will do Uttanasana, that is a forward bent cross leg pose. It's a variation of Uttanasana. Stand straight with 1 foot of a distance between your legs. Cross the right leg above the left leg. Keep it in the same line. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, bring them down. And keep your palms along with your feet or slightly in front as per your comfort level. Stay for a minute. Inhale and lift your arms up and relax. If your palms are not reaching down, you can keep the cushions or you can keep the blocks below and keep your palms rested on those blocks. We will do pigeon pose, Kapotasana. Take a plank pose and bring your right leg between your hands and fold it from your knees. Sit on your hip, keep the back straight and hips should be square. Don't bend on any one side, it should be completely straight. Look up. Now slowly you have to, inhaling, take your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Forehead should touch the floor. Rest there for some time. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Now repeat it on the other side. Now we will do Supta Hastapad Angushta Asana. You have to lie on your back with your hands straight in 180 degrees. Now take your right leg and cross it over towards your left hand. Try to hold your toe with your hands. If you are unable to hold, you can keep the leg wherever it is possible. Stay for some time and feel the pressure on your gluteal muscle, also the piriformis muscle. Come back. Now again, take the left leg towards your right hand. Stay for some time. Feel the pressure on your gluteal muscles. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and come back. Now we'll do supine figure 4 pose, wherein you have to lie on your back with your feet flat on the floor. Now cross your right ankle over your left knee and keep your right foot fixed. Bring your left knee towards your chest and reach your right hand through your legs and hold with your left hand below the left knee. Exhaling, lift your head up. Stay for some time. Using your arms, you can pull your left knee towards your chest. Hold for 5 breaths to 2 minutes as per your comfort level and repeat it on the other side. This again relaxes your piriformis muscle, which helps in releasing the pressure on your sciatic nerve.
Coming to Achar, you can try warm baths with bath salts, and the warmth of the water along with the salts will relax the muscles and helps to reduce the inflammation and swelling. There is one small exercise or activity I will demonstrate to you which will help in releasing the sciatic pain.
The simple activity to help ease the sciatic pain is to take a tennis ball and roll it on the bottom of the foot. Either you can apply pressure on it and slowly you can roll back and forth few times with both the feet, will instantly give you relief from hip and leg pain. And this way piriformis muscle, which is located near your sciatic nerve, gets exercise and helps in alleviating the pain. You can do 3 to 4 times in a day.
Coming to Vichar, when in pain, nothing works as well as disassociation. Believe me, with disassociation, you can mentally distance yourself from the pain. For example, if you are having a pain in the knee, assume that the knee is on the other side of the room, somewhere far off from you. And maintaining this mental picture can help some people distance from the pain felt because of this chronic sciatica. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. And if you want to make a video on topic which you would like, please write in the comment section below. Till then, take care.